Hi there. Today in this video, we explain how fixed rate zones work. The fixed rate zones feature helps a company to charge fixed fares for trips between zones. Let's see how to set up fixed rate zones. Open your Maps document, select the Add Line or Shape option, draw the zone in the required location, and give it a name. After that, color the zone for better visualization. Try not to use more than 30 dots for one zone. Draw every next zone the same way. For adjacent zones, make sure that the borders do not overlap. The space between borders should be minimal because if a pickup or a drop-off falls into a gap, the taximeter pricing will apply. Let's also draw a far-off airport zone for airport transfers from the city and back. Make sure that all the zones are within your company's operational area. Once you have drawn all the zones, you need to set fixed rates for trips between them, from the city center to the railway station and back, from the city center to the airport and back, etc. Access the Fixed Price Fares document and proceed to the tab Areas. Add the names of all your zones in the Area Names column, making sure that the names match the ones on the map symbol by symbol. After that, proceed to the tab Fares and set prices for the trips between your zones for your services. Select a service your company offers. Mind that default service names, for example, Classic, are used and not the custom names you may have given to your services. In column B, specify the pickup zone. In column C, the drop-off zone, and add the pricing in column D. Continue to set fares for all the services you want to apply the fixed rate zones feature to. If you need fixed rates to work in both directions, for example, from the city center to the airport and from the airport to the city center, you need to set two different rates. In case a return fare is not added, the system will calculate the trip cost as per taximeter. Avoid duplicating fares and adding the services that your company does not provide. Once both maps and fares documents are ready, contact our support team. Your zones will be set according to your requirements. We also highly recommend checking our knowledge base for additional details and tips on fixed rate zone setup and usage. That's it on fixed rate zone setup. See you in the next videos.